Hi, welcome to Venwiz. This is an introduction to Venwiz's exciting new quote comparison tool. Let me show you how it works. The quote comparison tool can be found in the Tools drop-down menu, accessible from any other web page on the website. Once you click it, you will be taken to the tool's homepage. Here, you can get an idea of how the tool can help you. As you can see, not only do you get your quotes compared, but you also get a summary of all the quotes, insights from the activity, and expert recommendations to help with your decision making. You can click here or here to go to the tool. Once you click it, you will be taken to the quote comparison tool page. This is a form where all you have to do is select the nature of comparison, enter your email ID, upload your RFQ or your BOQ depending on what you're comparing, upload all the quotes that you want to compare, and click submit. You will see an acknowledgement pop-up and an acknowledgement email shortly after. Your comparison will reach your inbox within 3 hours. In case you need to add any further quotes for comparison later, you can simply reply to either of the emails. And that's it. Super simple, fast, and secure.